I realized the truth that changed absolutely everything. It takes the exact same effort to sell a $40,000 car as it does to a $400,000 car. No matter if you're in high-ticket sales, luxury retail stores, working as a personal shopper, or even selling houses, if you are still operating in a high-volume, low-leverage loop, your ceiling is about to collapse. My name is Albert, and I'm efficiency obsessed. I don't believe in the 100-hour hustle. I believe in the emotional moat. While everyone else is being automated out of a job, I'm here at Grand Touring Automotive's Oakville, representing brands like Aston Martin, Bentley, Lamborghini, Rolls-Royce. In this video, I'm going to give you the 16-year blueprint I used to escape the 9-to-5 loop, bypassing the 200-car bottleneck and build a career that no algorithm can ever touch. If you want to know how your ambition into a high-leverage sales career that thrives in the age of AI, you need to watch every single second of this video. Back in 2010, I thought I've absolutely made it. I had the dream, executive role in fashion, district manager of over 5 stores, and a buyer as well. At the same time, I was part owner and designer of my own jacket brand, Burnt Lime. We were wholesaling boutiques to all over North America and showcasing our collection in major fashion shows. On paper, I was absolutely killing it. I had the title, the salary, and the creative respect. But I had to face the hard truth. The fashion and retail space in Canada has an absolute ceiling. It wasn't the environment which I could truly achieve the scale I wanted. So we made an incredibly difficult decision to close up shop. Even with the executive role, that dream felt like a recurring loop. I'll wake up on Sunday's night with that familiar pit in my stomach, realizing I was just a highly paid treadmill runner. I was spending over 60 hours a week managing retail fires, schedules, and logistics, instead of actually solving people's actual desires. My income had a hard ceiling. No matter how many perfect seasons I had, the number on my paycheck stayed relatively the same. I knew if I wanted to build something real, I needed a high-leverage environment. I had to bet on myself. I walked away from the safety of a salary and went 100% commission to Audi. It was the first time I actually felt in control of my own math. Going from a district manager in fashion to a green pea salesperson at Audi was a massive ego check. I went from being the guy with all the answers to the guy who didn't even know where the keys were kept. The first few months were an absolute blur of what if I made a mistake. 100% commission sounds absolutely exciting until you realize that if you don't sell, you don't eat. I remember sitting in my car before my shift, just trying to psych myself up. I had the fashion background, I knew how to dress the part, as you can see, but I had to learn a whole new language. I wasn't just selling German engineering, I was learning the art of a high-leverage sale. I realized that whether it's a $500 suit or a $60,000 car, people aren't really buying the object by itself. They're buying how the object makes them feel. That's when the retail trap started to fade and my career started to scale. But then I hit a different kind of wall. From 2020 to 2025, I was a top salesperson at Audi Niagara, closing nearly 200 cars a year. That sounds like a dream, but by January 2025, while setting my targets and my goals for that year, I realized I was stuck again in an income bracket. Not because I wasn't good, but because I had hit the absolute limit of my human capacity. I was using every single hour of my life to move those 200 units every year. Essentially, there was no more me left to give out. I looked at the more traditional next steps this industry offers. My manager wanted me to move into finance, but I'm really bad with paperwork. They talked about the general sales manager path, but I didn't want the weight again of an entire building on my shoulders. I didn't want to stop doing what I love. I love the sale. I just needed the sale to work harder for me. So in 2025, in June, I moved to what you see here, Grand Touring Oakville. I realized a truth that changed everything. It takes the exact same effort to sell a $40,000 car as it does to a $400,000 car or even a million or $2 million car. The conversation, the follow-up, the emotion is pretty much the exact same. Only one just offered 10 or more times the leverage. By stepping into brands like Aston Martin, Bentley, Lamborghini, Rolls-Royce, I stopped trying to overwork the clock and start outworking the math. I didn't just change jobs, I changed the value of my time. In 2026, the world is crazier than ever. AI can write your emails, predict market trends, and even manage your calendar, which is absolutely bonkers. But there's one thing it can never do. It cannot understand the weight of an achievement. It can't feel the 20 years of sacrifice that leading up to a client sitting in their first Rolls-Royce. Luxury, whether it's a supercar, a Hermes Birkin, or a dream home, it's not just a transaction. It's an emotional economy. Imagine that moment. Showing a client their dream car for the first time, spec'd exactly to their soul. A bot can't share that look in their eyes. High net worth clients don't want a digital interface. They want an expert that will face them face to face who will understand their nuance of their legacy. Your only real job security in 2026 is providing an experience that technology simply cannot replicate. You have to be the human element that they can't find in an app. People ask me if I miss the safety of a salary. The truth? Going commission was literally the best thing I've ever did because it forced me to become the CEO of my own company. When you're 100% commission, you determine when you work, when the trap is thinking you have to work all the time. I don't believe in the 9-to-5 hustle anymore. That's how you burnt out. Instead, I identify when I should work, what I call the power hours. I know exactly when my high-ticket clients are active and when my brain is the absolute sharpest. During those windows, I'm 100% on. The rest of the time, I'm my own boss. I protect my energy, I drive the cars I love, I stay grounded. I am the best in the room because I've mastered my own time, not just my craft. If you've watched this far, it's because you're likely where I was in 2019, performing at a high level, but you still feel like that you're running out of room to grow. You're ready to break your own loop and step into a world of high-ticket luxury. I'm preparing a limited 1-to-1 mentorship course. I'm doing this because you can spend the next 5 years trying to figure out the math of leverage alone, or I can help you skip a decade of trial and error. Here's exactly what I'm going to show you, the reality check. I'll show you the raw truth of what a high-ticket role actually requires. This is the insider knowledge that they don't put in the job description and the gatekeepers won't tell you at all. Mental and physical preparation. We will audit you how you show up, from your physical appearance to the specific mindset shift needed to represent elite brands like Aston Martin or Rolls-Royce. The top sales system. I will give you the exact tactic system I used to stay top sales for 5 years straight without the burnout. We're gonna build a schedule that protects your energy. I'm only taking a few people at this one-on-one format to ensure the highest quality of mentorship. If you're ready to become the CEO of you, drop a comment with the word pivot if you're ready to make 2026 your year of leverage. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights from Grand Touring Automobiles Oakville. I'm Albert, and I'll see you folks in the next one.